One more than 4. 4 and one more than 4 is?
5.
Yeah, circle. Yes. Count how many leaves in all?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, 3. Okay, write number 3, 4. Okay. Circle what will come next. What will come next? This or this?
This.
What will come next? This or this?
This.
Yeah. No.
This.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Circle the shorter person. Shorter person. Circle the shorter. Yeah, okay. And circle the solid that look like the object. What is look like? Yes, okay, circle. Okay. 2 children are on the swing. Okay. One more children come to swing. How many children are swing now?
3.
Okay, 3. Okay. Write number 3 here. Okay. High five. Good job. Amazing.